Hi everyone, welcome back to Everyday English Chats.
Hello, dear listeners. It's so nice to have you here again.
Today we'll talk about something very close to every English learner's heart.
Yes, we'll talk about how to speak English, even if you're not perfect.
Ah, yes, that feeling. When you want to speak, but you're afraid to make a mistake.
You stay quiet, you think, my English isn't good enough.
But the truth is, it is good enough.
Yes, you don't need perfect English. You just need brave English.
Brave English. I love that phrase.
Let's say it together. Brave English.
Not perfect English, just brave English.
So, let's start with a little story.
Picture this, a small cafe on a quiet morning. You walk in and the smell of coffee is everywhere.
The waiter smiles and says, "What would you like?"
And suddenly you freeze. You think, oh no, what if I say it wrong?
You take a deep breath and you say, "I want a coffee, please."
Perfect.
Simple, kind, and brave.
You spoke. The world didn't end. You get your coffee.
And your heart says, "Yes, I did it."
You see, speaking English is not about grammar tests.
It's about connection. It's about people.
Yes, it's about small, real moments. A coffee, a hello, a thank you.
And every time you speak, you grow stronger.
Do you remember learning a new language, Anna?
Oh, yes, I tried learning French once. I was so shy.
Did you ever make mistakes?
So many. I said funny things and people laughed.
Did that make you stop?
At first, yes. Then I realized something. They laughed with love, not with judgment.
Right, they were happy you tried.
Exactly. When you speak, people see your courage.
Let's talk about a few survival English phrases today.
Oh, that's helpful. Simple, everyday phrases that everyone needs.
The first one, sorry, can you please repeat?
Yes. Say it slowly. Sorry, can you please repeat?
You can also say, can you say it again, please?
Both are polite and clear.
That's brave English, not perfect, but clear.
Another one. I don't understand. Can you help me, please?
That's one of the bravest sentences you can say.
Because you're honest, and honesty builds connection.
And one more. How do you say this in English?
Beautiful and simple. Let's repeat it together. How do you say this in English?
You can use this anywhere, at work, at a store, with new friends.
Don't worry about pronunciation. Don't worry about speed.
Just speak.
Yes, just speak.
Let's try a small practice now.
Oh no, a test?
Not a test, just a fun practice. I'll be the waiter, you're the customer.
Okay, I'm ready.
What would you like to drink?
I want a water.
Very good. Just a small correction. We usually say, I'd like some water, or I'd like a glass of water.
Ah, I see. I'd like some water.
Yes, but remember, if you say, I want a water, people still understand.
Really?
Of course, you communicated well. That's what matters.
So even if my grammar is wrong, my message is right?
Exactly. And that's what communication means.
Let's try another one. You're at the bus stop. You ask, "Bus go Main Street?"
That's great. Even with few words, people will understand.
They might reply, "Yes, bus goes to Main Street."
Exactly. Later, you'll learn the full version. Does this bus go to Main Street?
Step by step. One day you'll say it naturally.
Because learning comes from trying, not from silence.
You know, I love mistakes.
Really? Why?
Because mistakes mean you tried. If you never make mistakes, you never speak.
True. It's like learning to ride a bike. You fall, then you stand again. And one day you just ride without thinking.
Same with English. You'll speak one day without fear.
You'll ask for directions or order food or talk to a friend and realize, wow, I did it.
Some learners feel shy because of their accent.
Yes, many say, my accent is bad.
But your accent is beautiful. It shows where you come from.
It's part of your story. It means you speak more than one language.
That's special. That's powerful.
When you speak with your accent, you sound real, like you.
And people love that authenticity.
Let's say our theme again just to remind our hearts.
Speak English even if you're not perfect.
Let's say it again. Speak English even if you're not perfect.
One more time, slowly. Speak English even if you're not perfect. Feel it in your heart. It's true.
Because brave English is better than perfect silence.
Let's imagine another daily situation.
Okay, you go to the doctor.
You feel sick, but you're not sure how to say it.
You sit down and say, "Hello, doctor. I feel no good."
That's perfect communication. The doctor understands.
Then he asks, "Where does it hurt?"
You point and say, "Here, my throat, pain."
See, you used brave English. The doctor helps you.
You go home proud.
You used English in real life. That's a big win.
Now let's talk about our emotions again.
Sometimes after speaking English, you feel embarrassed.
You think, I said something wrong.
But guess what? Most people don't even notice.
Yes, they listen for meaning, not for grammar.
So don't stop.
Just smile and say, "Oops, small mistake."
Everyone will smile with you.
Confidence is more powerful than perfection.
So, Tom, how can our listeners practice brave English every day?
Good question. Here are 3 small ways.
Number 1, talk to yourself in English for 1 minute a day.
Example, today I go to work. It's cold. I feel sleepy.
Exactly. Simple words are good. Number 2, speak small phrases to people around you.
Say good morning to your neighbor or thank you so much.
Every small conversation helps you grow. Number 3, listen to English daily.
Listen to us, to short podcasts, maybe watch a short video.
The more you listen, the more you'll speak.
Yes, English will start to live inside you.
And remember, mistakes are not enemies.
Mistakes are teachers.
Exactly.
You know, if you wait for perfect English,
You'll wait forever.
yes, just start now. Speak with courage.
Speak with heart.
Because every word you say brings you closer to confidence.
It's not about grammar.
It's about connection.
It's about smiles, people, kindness, understanding.
So when you meet someone tomorrow,
Say hello.
yes, your hello is enough.
Because your English, your brave, honest English, is enough.
Let's say it one last time, together.
Speak English even if you're not perfect.
Because your English is enough.
Thank you for joining Everyday English Chats.
We're proud of you, truly proud.
Keep speaking.
Keep smiling.
Keep learning.
And remember,
Speak bravely.
always.